When we were working on this exhibit, we thought it would be really important to the researchers and also to the museum to give our visitors an opportunity to volunteer when they have just read about the research that's going on there. They're all excited about it and they want to become research subjects. We wanted to make that possible right here in the museum. So we started thinking about how to do that. I think the typical way would be to have a screen where people could enter their information, but I really wanted to do something that took visitors out of their normal life, gave them a moment to kind of enter this realm of becoming research subjects in a way that wasn't like what they would normally do. And so we came up with this now obsolete object, a red telephone that has no buttons, and when you pick it up, you're talking to the imaging center.